everyone, it's Misty here from TheJollyFatElf. Thank you so much for joining me. So in today's video, I have my planner lineup for 2023. So I've done a couple of hauls now. It was like, you're gonna get planner content, you're gonna get planner content. I just honestly haven't had time to sit down and plan. Like I literally have made a to-do list and I have my content calendar. That's been the extent of my planning. But going into 2023, I have a lot of irons in the fire or plates in the air, whatever, balls in the air, whatever you want to say, whatever euphemism you want to use. So I've really spent the last couple of months kind of whittling down what I think will work for me in regards to planning for 2023. So I'm going to walk you through in this video just the planners that I plan on using them and what I plan on using them for. Then I will do probably 2 to 3 setup videos going forward, because one of them is going to be a more health and wellness related journal, and that's going to be very much involved, and I'll get into more of that once we get there. So I'm going to head over to the craft table. I'm going to walk you through all of the planners that I plan on using for 2023, what I think I'm going to be using them for, etc. So before we do that though, if you haven't already, I hope you'll consider subscribing. I am excited to get back into the planner community. I've been gone for a little bit. I'm glad to see that it's still here and it's still thriving. I absolutely love it. I will be franken-planning, which seems to be huge now in the planner community, which it tickles me to death, because if you've been with me for a while, you remember that I set up my own franken planners. Like I started franken planning not long into my planning journey. Like when I got those, when Carpe Diem first came out with those ring planners, I'm pretty sure that's when I started and got the bug. So piecing parts together is not new to me, and that's why I'm excited to share with you the lineup today. So let's head over to the craft table and I'll walk you through them. All right, friends, my desk is a little messy, but for those of you who've been with me for a while, you know that that's nothing new. That's nothing new. So as I mentioned in the intro, this is just going to be the lineup. I'm going to show you what I have and what my intentions are. And then over the next couple of weeks, I will be setting up each planner individually, and I will be sharing that with you as well. But like I said, I am going to be franken planning, but we'll talk about that in a second. So let's start with the one that I don't think you're going to see in any kind of content, and that's this one. This is the budget. This is the Know Your Worth. It is an undated planner. My goal for the monthly is just to like put down when we get paid, when the things are, but I really love these pages. We do a zero-based budget. If you're on Instagram and you see those kind of cash stuffing envelope videos, we do that too. It was made popular by Dave Ramsey, but zero-based budgeting has been around forever. In fact, when like in the early 2000s, a friend of mine, her and her husband did it that way. I wish I'd started then, but I did not. So anyway, I really love these pages. If you've been with me for forever, you know that we've been doing a zero-based budget, I want to say since 2014. And we were in I think we paid off over $100,000 in consumer debt, which sounds like a lot. But when Rob and I first got together, he lost his job like 3 days before we met. And then when I moved down here, I lost my job after being at it for a couple of months. So there was a time there when we were basically putting everything on the credit card. Luckily now, knock on wood, we no longer really have any consumer debt. The only consumer debt we have is our bathroom. So I don't have to worry about car payments, etc. We have our mortgage, we have our bathroom payment, and then we have our utilities, and that's basically it. And then we do sinking funds and stuff like that. So I don't know that I'll share that. Rob isn't comfortable sharing our finances. I'm probably not either. But this is the first one that we're going to work on. I love, 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 love these pages. I don't know what I'm trying to say. Okay, so these are the 4 that I have with me. Okay, one of these clearly has a sticker on it. Here it is. So if you guys saw my haul, my first haul, I had purchased a couple of things that were big, a couple of things that were classic, just trying to see what I wanted to work with. And classic is definitely the size for me. Unfortunately, the big is just too big. It's just too big. It's hard to handle, etc. Okay, so let me So we're gonna start with this one. Now, as far as like the insides and stuff, I didn't really care because I will be, you know, decorating and stuff like that. I was more concerned about the layout. So this is, I wanna say this is the teeny tiny florals or whatever, and it's the dashboard layout. So this is August 2022 through July 2023. So I have December 2023. So this is a pretty decent decent amount, and I'm actually filming this on Saturday. So tomorrow, Cyber Monday, I think they're still having a 30% off sale. Will this go up today? If I can get it edited, it can go up today. So, oh no, this isn't the dashboard. This is the teacher. Yeah. Why did I think this is the? Oh, I'm in the wrong book. Where am I? What is going on? Did I add them all together? Oh, I think I did. Okay. I'm like, what the hell is going on? So, but this is the dashboard layout. And what I think the dashboard may end up being is kind of like my catch-all. I think that's the lingo of the time. So I feel like this is where I'm going to do like some simple to-do list, or if I have appointments, etc. I haven't quite decided. I haven't quite like got adjusted to this layout, but that's kind of what I envision this layout to be. Next is this one. Now this one I did buy because it's beautiful. Don't let me lie to you. It's so pretty. So this is January 2023 through December, and this is a vertical layout. So this is probably going to be the most important part of my planning. So as I mentioned in the intro, I'm going through some health issues, etc. And this is going to be where I track symptoms, where I track my pain, where I kind of keep track of my routines, etc. So this is probably going to be a kind of like more of a workhorse planner. I will probably still decorate because I've been decorating planners since 2014. So it's something that I enjoy to do. But at the same time, and this is really going to be, like I said, I want something I can take to a doctor and be like, here, figure me out. I'm broken. So that's kind of what I have in mind for this one. So it's absolutely gorgeous. Like the floral is just beautiful. I love it, love it, love it. You guys know I'm more of kind of a whimsical kind of person, but there's just something about a really pretty floral that I can't get over. So yeah, and I do like, I don't know that I like plastic and maybe once I get into this planner and start working on it, I may change my mind. But as of right now, it's like I don't really care either way. So yeah, so this is gonna, like I said, this is gonna be like a health and wellness planner, but it's gonna be so far removed from just tracking food that, yeah. So, but again, we'll set that up at a later time. But this is gonna be my kind of health and wellness in the vertical. This is a monthly. So this layout has really been intriguing to me. I really, really, really love these pages, like this page right here. I haven't really quite decided what I'm going to do with it, but I think this is going to be a good kind of overall view of like my filming, which I'm about to share with you. I hate saying my work planner or content creating planner because it just makes me feel like ugh. But I do have to have one. So anyway, I think that's what this is kind of going to be. Maybe I can track like Instagram, making sure I'm posting because I'm awful at that. So yeah, but this is just a monthly. It is dated, but you get the month, then you get these kind of like goal kind of things, and then you get some to-do lists. So I really like this layout, and we're going to play around with it for sure. And then last but not least is probably going to be my second workhorse, and this is the teacher planner. And my goal for this, like this is what I have actually been using. You can see I kind of, oops, I dropped my phone. I've kind of set it up a little bit, just playing around with it. Sorry, Rob is being very loud. So anyway, I haven't actually like sat down and planned. This has got some, but, oh, it's got both. That's what the problem is. So I have, like I said, I'm going to be doing Franken planning, so I don't know. I can't get my brain straight. Okay, so this is the teacher planner. It's meant to be this way, but I am going to go this way because I'm not a horizontal planner person, so that No. So I'll end up like whiting these out or just putting down some sticker paper and then dating, and we'll go this way with the dates. And this will be kind of my social media planner. So if you're unfamiliar, I have my JollyFatElf channel, which is the channel you're watching. I have my Misty channel, which is my makeup channel. I have At Home with Misty, which is kind of my health and wellness channel. Then I also design for scrapbookpal.com, and I also design for Stamp Anything. And for Stamp Anything, I do 6 videos a month. So I really needed a bigger spread and kind of compartmentalized. That way I know like, okay, so this is this. It's basically each channel is what it's going to be. And I've created some stickers that will go along with it, but that's really what this is going to be. And like I said, I am going to be kind of Franken planning. So that's why you see some of these are in like my mood trackers. So we'll go through all of this, but yeah, I made these, just printed on some vellum. Have these cute little dividers. I don't know if I'm going to keep doing this or not, but look at this bear. I had to have him. So cute. So yeah, that's kind of my planner lineup. Like I said, I just, here's my ear and pixels. Like I have a lot of plans for planning in 2023, and it's not going to be, I already know it's going to be some like, what am I trying to say? It's not going to be so cut and dried, especially this planner and the health and wellness one. It's going to be a lot of work, but at the same time, it's something that I have to do. It's something I have to get done. So yeah, thank you so much for joining me today. I really do appreciate you. If you haven't already, I hope you'll consider subscribing. Like I said, I will have planner content coming. I'll be setting up these planners or my planner over the next couple of weeks, but that's it. I appreciate you. I hope you have a good day, night, weekend, wherever you are. I love your faces, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.